Hello student, today's our topic is Islamic months names and their meanings. Names in Urdu. Number 1 is Muharram, meaning is forbidden, Muharram. Number 2 is Safar, meaning is void, Khali Safar. Number 3, Rabiul Awwal, the first spring, Rabiul Awwal. Number 4, Rabiul Sani, the second spring, Rabiul Sani. Number 5, Jamadiul Ula, the first of parched land, Jamadiul Awwal. Number 6 is Jamadiul Sani, the last of parched land, Jamadiul Sani. Number 7 month is Rajab, meaning is respect, honor, Rajab. Number 8 is Shaban, meaning is scattered, Shaban. Number 9 is Ramazan, meaning is burning heat, Ramazan. Number 10 is Shawwal, meaning is raised, Shawwal. Number 11 Zulqa'dah, the one of truce, sitting, Zulqa'dah. Number 12 is Zulhajjah, the one of pilgrimage, Zulhajjah.